Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel, and in today's session, we will learn how to select an entire column or an entire row in just one click. But before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. So if you're a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now without further ado, let's get started with our one-point agenda, that is how to select an entire column in Excel. So for that, we might want to get back to our practical mode, and now we are on our Excel spreadsheet. Now you might want to add some extension to your data. Since we have sales here, you might want to add the dollar logo, right? So if you have like 5 to 10 rows, then it's easy. But if you have multiple rows, then it might be a little time consuming. In such scenarios, you might want to select the entire column, right? So how do you do that in a shortest method? So there are multiple methods to do it. So the easiest one, the first and the easiest one is clicking on the column number or column name. So here we have the column name, that is E, and if you click on it, the entire column is selected. And here we have numbers. So let us imagine that you wanted to select the row number 2. Click on number 2 and you have all the rows, the entire row selected. All the cells are selected, right? So this is one way. And again, there is another way where you can just click on the first table header and press Control Spacebar. So the combination key is Control Spacebar for columns, and if you want to select the entire row, it is Shift Spacebar. So this is the method 2. And another method, so you might have a doubt here, right? So when you click on the column name or when you click on the row number, the entire row or entire column gets selected, right? And you wanted to select only the cells which have data. So we have another way for that. So you can select the cell. Now hold the Control and Shift key and press the lower arrow key to select the entire column with cells having data. So there you go. You have selected all the cells in one single column with only data. And all the cells which do not have data are not selected. Same applies to rows as well. Control Shift, right arrow key or left arrow key based on your rows, and all the rows with data will be selected. All the cells in a row are selected, not the entire row. And coming back to the first question, that is adding the dollar symbol. So here we have general. So go to the data type and add currency. So you have rupees here. So currently we are in India, so we have rupees. Now what is the advantage of selecting the entire row when you don't have any data in the 57th row or the next cell, right? I'll show you. Now let us add the number 100 and press enter. There you go. Let us add another number like 1000 and press enter. So the data formatting is automatically applied to all the cells. So most of the time your cells or the data sheet will be varying. You might have to add or remove elements or numbers, right? So in such scenarios, this will be helpful. So with that, we have come to an end of this session on selecting an entire column or selecting an entire row in Excel. And if you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.